See if I can advance this here. Maybe we want green button. There we go. So QR coding. So who hasn't seen a QR code recently, right? You guys are going to get inundated with them this week because every time you attend an ed session or you go to the exchange floor or you leave this room today, there's going to be a QR code for a survey. So you're going to see them all week. We see them in restaurants. We see them at the movies. We see them when we get our IKEA furniture, right? And we get the QR code and it takes us right to those assembly instructions. Well, now we can do the same thing for conveyors. So every conveyor or bucket elevator that leaves our facility has a QR code put on there. We use a thermal imaging printer to put it on there, so it's a very durable sticker that goes on the conveyor at the head and the tail. And I know for some of you that's a challenge. You said, "Oh, my facility will destroy that code." That's fine. We can always print you a new one. But once someone at your facility hits that QR code, maybe it's your installation contractor, maybe it's your maintenance guys, maybe it's just someone out doing a quality inspection of the conveyor, there's going to be a limited number of things that we can place under that QR code. We can put things like equipment descriptions, we can put equipment drawings in there, we can put maintenance checklists, we can put anything that you could possibly imagine can be linked to that. And we can personalize it for your company as well. It doesn't have to be our standard stuff. We do populate it with some standard things like lockout, tagout. We have a sprocket wear description diagram in there. We also have some other safety checklists. We can link the spare parts for that conveyor. So how convenient would it be for your maintenance manager? He's out there, he's got a conveyor that's broke down and he's got to climb down off of that silo, go back to his office, pull up the drawing of the conveyor. No, all the information he needs is right there. He can do it all right from the top of that silo, and if he's got his phone with him, we all have our phones with us unless we're working on extraction, he can see what parts he needs, who was the original manufacturer of it, and then we've got our phone number on there. He can call right into our parts department, tell him what he needs, and get him coming right away. We also put the final drawing of the conveyor in there. And where this is really, really important is for installers in the field, right? So we get a brand new piece of equipment, we're all excited, and then your installation contractor says, well, how do I put it together? What's the steps? What is it gonna look like when it's done? You don't have to worry about chasing drawings and going back to your office and printing them out or having the manufacturer send them. Nope, it's all right there in that QR code. And it's all accessible with that smartphone that's already in our pockets. So we're gonna be at Innovation Station number 4 today at 3:45. You can stop by, see us. Brett will be there. I promise you he will. You can talk to him more about it and how you can set it up for your own facility. So all your existing equipment can be on there as well. So thanks a lot. We'll hope to see you guys later this afternoon.